There's so many incredibly wonderful dogs out there that need a home, that are either abandoned and starved to death, or they end up in a overcrowded high-kill shelter and being senselessly euthanized. All these puppies that are being born that people don't want because they failed to spay and neuter their pets, that are ending up being dumped or in kill shelters. So every day here at Big Dog Ranch Rescue, we fight to save lives. And it is so incredibly overwhelming how many animals need homes. We just do as much as we can. We're growing every day. We're fighting for each one of these souls.